Right. So, this is the thing I've been building. It's a voxel engine. And there are no textures in it. Not one. A voxel stores 1 byte. Just which material it is. No color. No UVs. No texture map. A material here is a function, not an image. Everything you see is real geometry. 36 voxels to the meter. 134 million of them up close, at full detail. And 235 million more carrying the distance. 369 million voxels. Every frame. The wear, the grain, the beveled light. All computed from where the voxel sits. Nothing sampled from a map. That sky is a real time of day. A full day and night, on its own clock. Sun, sky and fog are all one light. Move the hour, and the whole world moves with it. And the shafts scatter through whatever fog is already there. Materials are volumes. Light is absorbed through the lava, not faked at the surface. And that lava lights the valley by itself. I never placed a lamp. Rust, WGSL, Vulkan. One source tree. But this is early days. A lot of it is still rough, and there's more missing than there is finished. That's where it's headed, though. A real voxel engine. In time, hopefully one of the good ones. Like and subscribe, and you can watch it get there.